Okay, let's turn to another big story, this time coming in from Parliament, where the Narendra Modi government today introduced in the Lok Sabha the Viksit Bharat Ji Ram Ji bill, which will replace the Mahatma Gandhi National Employment Guarantee Act. Now, this has become a trigger for a political showdown, with the opposition claiming A, that Mahatma Gandhi's name has been removed, and also suggesting now that the funding to this scheme could be transferred from the center to the states, putting additional burden on the states. All of this is leading to a potential political face-off. Take a look at why this new bill is so contentious.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, एक योजना का नाम था जवाहर रोजगार योजना।
Parliament witnessed high-voltage drama on Tuesday as the Narendra Modi government introduced the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin, or VBG-Ramji bill. The proposed legislation will replace the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. With the new bill, the centre is pushing a major reset of rural employment.
इसके पहले कई रोजगार की योजना आई।
While Manrega guaranteed 100 days of work, the VBG-Ramji bill ups it to 125 days. Manrega was fully funded by the centre, whereas VBG-Ramji makes the state provide 40% of the funding. The opposition accused the BJP of dismantling a flagship welfare scheme linked to Mahatma Gandhi. The Congress called it an attempt to centralize control and dilute workers' rights.
महात्मा गांधी जी मेरे परिवार के नहीं थे, लेकिन मेरे परिवार जैसे ही हैं और इस पूरे देश की यही भावना है सर। गहन जांच पड़ताल और व्यापक चर्चा के लिए इसे कम से कम स्थायी समिति के पास भेजा जाना चाहिए और कोई विधायक किसी की निजी महत्वाकांक्षा, सनक और पूर्वाग्रहों के आधार पर न तो पेश होना चाहिए और न ही पास होना चाहिए।
The government hit back. Rural Development Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan argued the bill is for public welfare, insisting Gandhi lives in our hearts and that VBG-Ramji reflects Ram Rajya.
बापू हमारे दिलों में बसते हैं, उनका हम पूरा सम्मान करते हैं। और बापू ही कहते थे राम राज, राम हमारे रोम रोम में रमे हैं, राम हमारी हर सांस में बसे हैं। बिना राम के ये देश नहीं जाना जाता। पता नहीं क्यों जी राम जी नाम आ गया तो ये भड़क गए।
Protests spilled outside the house as well. Opposition leaders accuse the centre of being anti-Gandhi and politicizing Lord Ram.
ये नाम बदलने की राजनीति बहुत दिन चलने वाली नहीं है। ये ग्राफ इनका नीचे जा रहा है और मैंने पहले भी कहा, फिर कहता हूँ, जिस समय ये कमजोर हो जाते हैं उस समय रिलीजियस और कम्युनल ज्यादा हो जाते हैं।
Some MPs staged a dramatic rooftop protest at the old parliament. Meanwhile, NDA ally TDP flagged concerns, warning of added financial burden on states.
It's a welcome move that whatever amendments that you're bringing in with respect to the betterment of Narega. At the same time, this is what Andhra Pradesh is facing from 2014 itself, and you have been helping us. And last 1.5 years, people of Andhra have seen how much union government has helped, and we expect and we request that help to continue even with respect to the Narega going forward.
Despite the storm, government sources say the centre is determined to pass the VBG-Ramji bill in this session, clearing way for approval in the upcoming budget session, and remains firm that the name won't be changed. With Maushmi Singh and Aishwarya Paliwal in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.